Hello guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. So guys, firstly, a heads up, you can use PayPal to pay on Amazon, but not directly. Amazon does not accept PayPal as a direct payment at checkout. So guys, as you can see, I have this screenshot in here. So you have different payments methods, but you can't use it directly. Like there's no pop-up or stuff like that. So you can use a PayPal debit or credit card. This is the best method. So firstly, just log in into your PayPal, go to Wallet, find the card linked to PayPal, for example, Visa or MasterCard. Note the card's details. On Amazon, just go to your account, payment options, and add this card. And after that, add the checkout. Just basically choose this card. You can also buy Amazon gift cards, like shown on this screenshot. And after that, just pay with this balance on Amazon when you check out. So why Amazon doesn't support PayPal directly? Well, because it prefers its own Amazon Pay and direct or debit cards. However, these two methods let you indirectly use PayPal funds. So guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this assists you. If it did help, leave a comment and also press like on the video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.